So guys, we're gonna show you something new with introducing Samsung Note 8. This is amazing phone and amazing style. So firstly we'll talk about chipset and Snapdragon versus Exynos. So start this video. Firstly we'll talk about platform, RAM, processor and GPU. Snapdragon versus Exynos octa core. So start in firstly Snapdragon 845. This is 2.2 gigahertz octa-core Cortex A75 chipset. This is new Cortex 875 chipset. Note 873. This is amazing new chipset and what very high performing. This is most common. And andreno 630 is GPU. This is including in OnePlus 6 and Xiaomi Mi 8. New phones uses Note at rare. So and Exynos 8 versus the chipset. This is Exynos 8 series, a new generation, and its GPU with merged Mali G72 with 18 cores. This is effective and nice performing. 64 GB and 6 GB RAM. This is LPDDR 2118 megahertz. This is, and finally we talk Android 8.3 Oreo. This is amazing, and Samsung including more feature with Android Oreo. And secondly we talk about camera, front camera and back camera. This is and final result Snapdragon versus Exynos at end this video. 12 plus 12 dual rail camera and 8 front camera with LED light, and this back RB LED or red red lens flash. This is the video record for up to 4K video recording and play 4K recording. This is amazing. And modem 4K available. 3 battery, processor, sensor and design. So sensor iris scanner. This is eye scanner and fingerprint rear mounted. इसके पीछे स्कैनर से स्कैन होता है, ये not including in display. Accelerator, gyroscope, barometer is the weather sensor and heart rate is the heart pulse sensor. SP02 is speed sensor. And lithium 3850 mAh battery and price not at good because मेरे ख्याल से 50,000 के करीब होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसे ऐसे सेट बहुत स्पेसिफिकेशन परफॉर्मेंस वाले लॉन्च हो चुके हैं इस साल. Xiaomi ने फुल वाटरप्रूफ सेट मेटालिक 2.2 गोल्डन एंड गोरिल्ला ग्लास 5 यूजिंग बाय. एंड फाइनली दिस इज Exynos very heavy performance and highly benchmark. So like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. इस वीडियो में इतना, अगली वीडियो में मिलते हैं.